So I got this microphone today from XZL UHF wireless microphones, and here's the box. Comes nicely packaged, and we're going to open it up right now. I'm using my one microphone now to do the whole video, but we're going to check it out together. So when you open it up, okay, comes in this nice case. It has a little clip right here. Let's open it up and check it out together. Oh, okay. Well, inside, as you can see, there's two microphones, and you have an instruction packet here. You have a packet of rings, and it appears to be, yes, a USB cord to C. And there's also, okay, let me set this down here to the side. I'll set it behind me here. Hey, I think you can see it. Anyway, I know from reading the instructions earlier that this piece here you have to plug into your speaker. And if you happen to not have an older school speaker like this computer here I'm about to use, you can use this adapter that they send along with it. Okay, you just simply slide it on there like that, and what I'm going to do is plug it into the back of my computer. It just simply slides right into the audio jack on most computers. I have an HP computer. It's a desktop, so I'd imagine anybody, even a laptop, if it has an audio port, that would be sufficient. Now, digging into the microphone itself, there's a sticker on here that says, please remove the battery cover and pull off the insulating film for the first time use. Okay, so you unscrew that like so. You just keep turning it, pull this off, and as you can see, there's the battery inside. And here, this must mean what they mean. There's a little piece of plastic there. You just take that out, make sure the battery's in there tight, and you slide this back on. I'm going to turn this on now. Oh, okay, cool. It lights up, as you can see, and it says channel 168 UHF 596.92. And mind you, there's still another, if you want to get the karaoke thing going on, there's two of them. And they feel great in your hand. They're not flimsy in any way that I can tell. And they do have this ring that I mentioned before that you can slide on here. It appears, so you don't drop it, or you can set it on a table so it doesn't roll away from you. My cat, who always wants to be the center of attention, is up here, and I have to move her quickly. Say hi, Riffy. Hi. All right, we're going to move her to the side, and I'm going to start using this here because it appears to be connected. And I can't sing to save my life, ladies and gentlemen, but I'm going to just sing a couple things, so please bear with me. All right, bear with me. Things, so please bear with me. All right, bear with me. Shine on, you crazy diamond. And I know that is absolutely terrible, so let me just set this down. Hopefully, let me pull my microphone back toward me. Hopefully you guys heard that correctly. It sounded good through the speakers. But look, I'm pleasantly surprised for the price. And you have another one here. I'm not going to go through the whole process of unscrewing that one or whatever. I'm assuming it works. seems to be a very good quality. On the very bottom here, you can see where it can be recharged via USB cord to the C adapter right there. It's a tremendous value. It's on Amazon, and I got to be honest, I'd pick myself on up today if I were you. If you're looking for a good time, good karaoke microphones, or just something to perform a podcast with, or any number of uses. So that's Mighty Mix review and unboxing, and I hope you like it. If you do, I'll leave a link in the video. All right, have a good day.